Okay guys, so this is the continuing practice for the driving range. As you can see, the 100 yards and the 50 yards and 150 yards up to 180 to the track. 130 guys, 130 from here yard. Okay, another 60 ball. This is the second time in the second bucket. The second bucket for now, for today. It's raining, cloudy and raining. The position is straight the palm, straight lock in the middle of the palm, and then swing. Hundred yards. Not bad. Okay. So for now, position straight your legs and swing. 95.